Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Yamaha V-Star 250. This thing is like a mini Harley, V-twin 250cc, super light, super low seat height, perfect beginner's bike, and perfect condition. This bike's showroom condition, only 542 miles. Come on by and make your motorcycle dreams come true. This awesome 2021 Yamaha 250 V-Star, only $45.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.